It all started with a single question. Is it really possible to do a DIY tour to Balabac, Palawan? Ask around and you'll probably hear the same things. There is none? You need to book a tour package. It's not safe or convenient to go on your own. It's difficult to do a DIY. And if you head over to YouTube, most of the videos you'll find are from people who went on a typical 3-day, 2-night or a 4-day, 3-night package tour, complete with fixed itineraries and pre-arranged accommodations. But that's not what I wanted. So I did something different. I booked a flight from Manila to Puerto Princesa, Palawan, 5 days. No plans, no itinerary, no accommodations, just a backpack and a wild sense of adventure. What happened next turned out to be the best travel experience of my life. Raw, real, and unforgettable. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can do the same. Stick around until the end because I'm going to share everything. The cost, the routes, the contacts, all the details you need to plan your own epic, no package, off the beaten path DIY Balabac adventure. Let's begin.
Di ko lang alam kung pwede na yung commercial plane dito. Kung meron man siguro baka yung ano lang, turboprop na aeroplano. Guys, alam nyo, no, hindi ako napunta dito sa Kuwela at Masayang Tour Guide. What's your name?
Buckler.
Buckler?
Buckler means gay traveler.
Our journey kicked off right at the Puerto Princesa International Airport. With excitement bubbling, we hopped on a local tricycle and gave our friendly driver one simple mission: bring us to the cheapest place to crash. And boom! He whisked us away to the Bundal Inn, just 10 minutes from the airport. Trike fare, 150 pesos. Fun room at Bundal Inn, only 350 pesos. Finding a budget stay that fast, priceless. Now, my first side quest was supposed to be a deep dive into the seafood treasures at the Puerto Princesa Public Market. But that's a whole other episode. Stay tuned for that. Back to today's mission, how to get to the breathtaking Balabac. I asked one of the inn staff for directions. They told me to head to Irawan Bus Terminal, the launch pad for all rides bound for Balabac. But wait! I needed wheels. So I asked around again and the answer was golden. Just a 10-minute walk from the inn, right outside the airport, you'll find motorcycle rental shops galore.
Ito mga kawander, ano? Ito yung papasok papuntang airport. Ayan, no, lapit-lapit, andyan na yung airport. Ngayon, paglabas nyo mismo dito sa airport na to, dito sa kanan banda, makikita nyo tong Caltex. Pero sa hilera, dyan sa kaliwa, dyan sa kabila, andun yung rentahan ng mga motor.
And that's how I landed at J4 Joden's Transport Rental, where I scored a sweet scooter for just 250 pesos for a half-day ride. With the engine humming, I set off to the Irawan Bus Terminal, about a 30-minute ride through scenic mountainsides and warm Palawan air.
Andito tayo ngayon sa Irawan Bus Terminal mga kawander. So ang ginawa ko, dahil bukas kailangan madaling araw, may makapunta na tayo dun sa Buliluyan Port papuntang Balabac. So pinili ko itong mga nakapark na van dito. At nag-DIY nga tayo, and luckily may nakausap tayong isang driver ng van dito na kung pwede bukas madaling araw ay isingit na lang tayo. Kasi kung magbabas tayo, ang alis kasi ng bus is around 8:30 AM pa dito sa may Sirawan Bus Terminal. So sabi nila pag aalis ka ng 8:30 dito, ang dating mo doon siguro more or less mga tanghali na or baka maghapon na. Ang sakayan naman ng bangka papuntang Balabac is pagdating ng tanghali wala na daw. So morning lang yata. So yun talaga, kailangan pumunta ka ng maaga.
The arrangement with Kuya Jun, the van driver, was for him to pick me up at 1 a.m. the following morning at the Irawan bus terminal. However, I decided to leave the Bundal Inn as early as 8 p.m. since getting a ride from Puerto Princesa City to the terminal becomes difficult after 9 p.m. A multi-cab ride from Puerto Princesa to the Irawan bus terminal typically costs around 35 pesos. If you're traveling as a couple or in a group, it's best to coordinate with the van driver in advance and agree on a safe and convenient pick-up point.
So ganito yung itsura ng bus terminal na to sa gabi. Kung andito kayo sa bus terminal, safe naman dito.
A few moments later.
Dito sa port, mayroon ka na makitang bus dito na papuntang Puerto Princesa. Marami na rin mga nakatambay na mga van. Papunta din yata lahat to sa Puerto Princesa o sa iba pang parte ng Palawan. Daming pasahero ngayong araw na to dahil maraming mga botante na pupunta sa mga isla-isla para bumoto. Kung tutuusin, pwede ka rin pala talaga dito mag-parking eh. Kung may dala kang sasakyan. Ayan oh, may mga napapark dito. Hindi ko alam kung magkano yung babayaran. Coast Guard. So ito yung lancha na papuntang Balabac. Sakyan natin kasi lado ng mga botante dito sa sakay. Dito na tayo sa sakay. Siksikan na. check tayo 10:39 at nakarating na tayo dito sa Balabac. At okay naman kasi malakas yung signal ng cellphone, ng smart. Saka dito.
Just after I finished flying my drone, I approached the owner of one of the small stores at the port to ask where I might find a place to stay. Fortunately, luck was on my side again. She kindly pointed me toward a nearby eatery that, as it turns out, also offers guest accommodations here on the island.
Life's a beach, I understand.
Ayan. Kung nakita niyo yung daanan na yan, nandyan lang yung pier. At ito yung nirentahan nating room dito na may karinderya na rin kung saan pwede kang kumain in case na magugutom ka. Okay, goods na goods. So ayan, ito na yung order natin, kanin, isda. So ito yung kainan dyan. Malapit lang talaga ito mismo sa may pier. 500 pesos. Sa 500 pesos napakalapit niya lang sa pier. So may kasama ng tuwalya, kumot at 2 unan. May extra beddings pa para dito sa sahig. But this room is good for 2. And kung 3 kayo, pwede pa, or 4, pwede pa. Pero sabi na may-ari, good for 2 lang talaga itong room na to. Siguro pag additional beddings, additional payment na rin lang siguro. So check natin yung comfort room. Ito yung CR ng mga babae, ito yung CR ng mga lalaki. So hindi siya naka-tiles, but malinis naman sa ating ilaw. Ayan, may tubig. Kung hindi ka naman maselan, basta ang importante is komportable kang matulog at makapag-CR, pwede na itong accommodation na to sa iyo. Alam nyo ba mga ka-wonder, no, na may nakalagay dito, ayan o, may free wifi dito sa Balabac. So ayan mga ka-wonder, confirm kung dito ka sa Balabac, dito lang mismo talaga sa may sa may pinaka-proper ng Balabac, meron ka makukuhang free wifi.
Marami rin kinain ng buhaya dito.
Dito.
Oh.
Meet Sir Greg Villajos, the owner of one of the humble yet lively vegetable stalls here in Balabac. A friendly local I met earlier pointed me in his direction, saying that his son happens to be one of the island's tour operators.
Saan nga sa airport? Sa ilalim na ng bahay namin?
Saan banda te?
Sa airport.
Saan banda te?
Sa airport.
Kasi may airport dyan na ginawa sa
Kasi,
base ng mga.
pag halimbawa,
Ayan. Kung nakita nyo itong mga ka-wonder, may nakalagay talaga na karatula dito. Ayan. Municipality of Balabac, danger crocodiles, no swimming. Imagine nyo kung gaano lang to kalapit dito sa tabing dagat. At may mga bahay-bahay dito. So pwedeng gumapang yung mga buhaya dito mismo. Ayun, dun sa area na yun, mga bakawan na yun dun. At dito yung mga bahay. Pero yung mga bahay nila, kung napansin nyo, mataas. Kasi pagka high tide, tumataas din yung tubig. Ayan, kung napansin nyo mga ka-wonder, dito sa Barangay Katagupan, Balabac, Palawan, ito yung hospital nila. Ang laki din pala ng hospital dito sa may Balabac. Hindi mo so katakalain na ganitong isla, pero may malaki silang hospital. So dito tayo mga ka-wonder, nakikita ko tong ginagawang runway dito, airport. So ito yung mga pison nila. May nabuo na rin palang sementadong kalsada. So I think gagamitin ito mostly siguro for military purposes lang ang runway na ito. Hindi natin alam kung i-commercialize nila ito. Ito kung napansin nyo, ayan sementado na. Hanggang dun sa dulo. Mahaba din pala. Hindi ko lang alam kung pwede na yung commercial plane dito. Kung meron man siguro baka yung turboprop na aeroplano. Kasi pagkaalam ko, pag commercial plane, kailangan mahaba yung runway. Pag ganito lang siguro kaigsi, siguro mga lang, turboprop na aeroplano lang yung propeller. Pero kung pahabain pa nila to, pwede na rin siguro to sa mga sa mga malalaking aeroplano like yung mga A380 bus. Pero sa tansya ko, baka itong airport na to gagamitin is military purpose lang. Kasi alam naman natin na itong Balabac nasa dulo na ito ng Palawan, facing yung West Philippine Sea natin na kailangan natin madepensahan. So strategic na lugar ito dito, lalagyan ng runway, lalagyan ng airport.
If you search for this airport on Google Maps, you won't find it listed. At least, not yet. That's because this is a newly constructed runway located on Balabac Island, developed under the Enhanced Defense Cooperation Agreement or EDCA. EDCA is a bilateral agreement between the Republic of the Philippines and the government of the United States aimed at strengthening security and defense cooperation. While the exact location is not yet marked online, the airport is situated somewhere in this area of the map.
Bibili tayo ng gasolina ng motor. 30 pesos po, kalahati.
Wow, ganyan-ganyan. Tingki! Ito rin ba yan?
Ito po yun, te?
Oo, yan ah. Kalahati.
Oh.
Isa yun.
So, tingnan nyo yung kulay ng gasolina. Parang kasing kulay ng diesel. Hindi po to diesel, te, no? Ito yung kulay ng gasolina dito. So, lagyan natin tong motor na to.
Gasolina ng Balabac.
Parang galing yata ito ng Malaysia. Yes.
Mahal kasi dito pag galing pa ng Philippines.
Sa bagay, tama.
Mahal, 100 plus. Isang litro.
So, parang ang isang litro pala dito is 60 pesos. konti. Oh. So, mag-ikot-ikot muna ako. Pupunta muna ako ng Parola. Yun, so mga 10 minutes lang siya nalakad galing dun sa highway. Makikita na yung Parola dito. Balabac. Ruta ng ekspedisyong Magallanes Elcano sa Pilipinas. Imagine mo, dito pala dumaan si ano? Si Magellan. Yung tsuhin ko. Loko talaga to si Magellan. Sira na yung lighthouse.
Ay, kala ko ba pwede umakyat?
Nakapadlock.
Ayun, no?
Pwedeng umakyat. Akyatin to dito. Oh. Tapos dyan.
Sitayin tayo? Hindi rin.
Kaya lang.
Hawakan mo to. Susunod sa akin. Pag umakyat ako tal, akyat ka rin.
Pwede.
Ha? Hindi?
Hindi na siguro.
Natin ko sana eh. Para may kasama ako. Sila dun, no?
Buti pa siya naka-GoPro. Malaglag ka! Sana all.
Overlooking na din dito. Saan kayo nag-stay?
Diyan po.
Ay, ayan mismo?
Kayo po, taga saan po kayo?
Manila.
Ay, layo.
Saan po sa Manila?
Taguig.
Taguig!
A heartfelt shout out to Antea Floramar Amita. Thank you so much for inviting me to your grandfather's birthday celebration. And to the birthday celebrant, a very happy birthday. Antea, your kindness is a beautiful reflection of the warmth and hospitality that the people of Balabac are known for. That wraps up part 1 of our stay here in Balabac, Palawan. But the adventure doesn't end here. Stay tuned for part 2 where we'll dive into island hopping and beach escapades you won't want to miss. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in the next part of our Balabac journey.